Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Wise Aging. If this is your first time here, make yourself comfortable. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and the little bell so you never miss our natural health tips made especially for people over 60. Now tell me in the comments, do you prefer green lemons or the more yellow-orange toned ones? And what city or state are you watching from? I love knowing where our community is growing. Today's video is very special because we'll talk about one of the simplest yet most powerful natural combinations you can make in your own kitchen: lemon and olive oil. You might use olive oil for your salads or for cooking, and lemon to add flavor or make tea. But have you ever thought about what happens when you mix the two together and drink it first thing in the morning? I promise you, once you start, you'll never want to stop. Why this remedy matters. Many of us over 60 wake up feeling tired, heavy, or unmotivated, even after a full night's sleep. That sluggish feeling is often not about aging itself. It's our body's way of saying, hey, I need a little help to clean out the toxins. And that's where the lemon and olive oil morning ritual comes in. This simple blend can detoxify your liver, support your heart, improve joint flexibility, balance cholesterol, boost energy levels naturally. This is not just an old folk remedy. There's science behind it. Studies published by the National Institutes of Health, NIH, and Harvard Medical School show that olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenols, helps reduce inflammation and protects the heart. And lemons? They're packed with vitamin C, potassium, flavonoids, and natural acids that help your liver and kidneys flush out toxins. When combined, they form what our ancestors used to call liquid gold for the body. Understanding each ingredient. Let's look at each ingredient in detail, because once you understand why it works, you'll feel motivated to make it part of your daily life. Olive oil, the heart's best friend. Olive oil has been called the crown jewel of the Mediterranean diet, one of the healthiest diets in the world. Research from the American Heart Association confirms that people who consume extra virgin olive oil daily have a 30% lower risk of cardiovascular disease. It helps control bad cholesterol, LDL, increase good cholesterol, HDL, reduce inflammation in joints and arteries, improve digestion. For older adults, olive oil also plays a key role in maintaining brain function and memory. Some studies even show that it may help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Lemon, the liver's little helper. Lemon acts as a natural cleanser. Its citric acid helps break down uric acid and toxins stored in the liver. It also stimulates bile production, improving digestion and helping your body absorb nutrients better, something that becomes more important as we age. The vitamin C in lemon supports your immune system, keeping you strong against colds, viruses, and even chronic fatigue. Together, olive oil and lemon make a duo that can recharge your system from the inside out. What happens when you mix them? When you mix 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, something amazing happens. You create a natural detox elixir that can activate your digestion by stimulating the liver and gallbladder. Clean the intestines. Lemon's acid helps dissolve waste, while olive oil lubricates your digestive tract. Relieve constipation. The combination acts as a gentle, natural laxative. Reduce morning fatigue by balancing your blood sugar and providing healthy fats for steady energy. Ease joint pain, thanks to olive oil's anti-inflammatory compounds like oleocanthal, similar to ibuprofen but natural. Support your heart. Both ingredients protect your arteries and improve blood circulation. Now tell me in the comments, have you ever tried this combination before? What was your experience like? How to prepare and use it? Here's how you make it. Take 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, cold pressed if possible. Add 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Mix them together in a small glass. Drink this mixture first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, at least 30 minutes before breakfast. Then, take your time. Maybe stretch a little, take a warm shower, and prepare your breakfast afterward. Do this every day for at least 3 weeks, and you'll start noticing changes. Lighter digestion, better mood, less bloating, and a surprising sense of energy throughout the morning. Just remember, always prepare it fresh. Don't store it in the fridge because lemon's vitamin C oxidizes quickly. What science says. You might be wondering, is this just another online trend? Actually, it's a scientifically supported practice. According to studies in the Journal of Clinical Lipidology, olive oil's monounsaturated fats reduce LDL cholesterol oxidation, one of the main causes of artery damage. The European Journal of Nutrition highlights how daily lemon intake helps the liver produce glutathione, a powerful antioxidant your body uses to detoxify itself. A 2022 Harvard study even found that seniors who consume healthy fats like olive oil regularly live, on average, 2 to 3 years longer, with fewer cases of heart disease. So when you mix lemon and olive oil, you're giving your body both detox and protection, nature's medicine in a spoon. Additional benefits. Let's go beyond digestion and the heart. This little mixture can also strengthen joints. If you suffer from arthritis or stiffness, olive oil's anti-inflammatory effect helps reduce pain. Support the brain. The fatty acids in olive oil nourish brain cells, improving focus and memory, essential for keeping the mind sharp after 60. Boost skin and hair. The antioxidants in lemon and olive oil slow down skin aging and help your hair stay shiny and healthy. Help with weight control. Drinking this before breakfast may reduce cravings and balance your metabolism. It's not magic. It's simply giving your body what it needs to function properly. I'd love to know, how do you like to start your mornings? Do you already have a health ritual, like warm water with lemon or a herbal tea? Share it below in the comments. We learn so much from each other here. You can also challenge your spouse, children, or friends to try this recipe with you. It's a great way to motivate loved ones to live healthier, and you can enjoy doing it together. If you know someone who always wakes up tired or with joint pain, share this video with them on WhatsApp, Facebook, or by text. They'll thank you later. So, my dear friend, next time you wake up feeling drained or heavy, remember, your body might just be asking for a little help. And that help could be as simple as a spoon of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. Try it for a week. Observe how you feel. Sometimes the best medicine doesn't come from a pharmacy. It comes from nature, from the wisdom passed down through generations. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and write in the comments, "I'm starting my lemon and olive oil challenge today." That way, we can follow along together and see how this powerful duo changes your mornings. On your screen right now, you'll see 2 more videos full of natural health tips made especially for seniors who want to stay strong and active. Click the one that catches your eye, and I'll see you there. Thank you for watching, thank you for your time, and remember, your health is your greatest treasure. Take care, my friends, and see you in the next video.